Welcome students, this is your mathematics lecture. In this lecture, we will study about our last topic in this chapter. It is the application of logic to switching circuit. Now, in this chapter, we shall study about how the theory of logic can be applied in switching network. We have seen that a logical statement can be either true or false. That is, can have its truth value either true or false. In the similar way, the similar situation exists in various electric devices. For example, an electric switch can be on or off. In this, we study about the switches in two ways, two switches in series and two switches in parallel. Now students, in an electric circuit, we know switches are connected by wires. If the switch is on, it allows the electric current to pass through it. That means when the switch is on, the current can pass through it. And if the switch is off, it does not allow the electric current to pass through it. And so, the definition of switch is, a switch is a two-way device used to control the flow of current in circuit. स्विच म्हणजे काय, तर एक टू वे डिव्हाइस आहे की जो त्या सर्किट मधनं करंट हा फ्लो होईल किंवा नाही त्याच्यावरती कंट्रोल करत असतो. कंट्रोल्स द फ्लो ऑफ करंट इन circuit. Generally, we denote the switches by the letter capital S or S1, S2, S3, etc. Now, consider here, this is a switch S. This is switch S. If we join this switch with the battery and suppose a lamp as shown in this figure here. Here in the adjoining figure, we see that there is a switch which join with battery and lamp. So it forms a circuit here. So here it forms a circuit. Now, when the switch S is closed, that is on, ज्या वेळेला हा स्विच आपण इथे क्लोज करणार, क्लोज झाला म्हणजे ही वायर इथे टच होणार आहे, म्हणजे हा स्विच ऑन होणार आहे. अँड सो द करंट फ्लोज इन द सर्किट. आणि हा स्विच आपण इथे क्लोज केल्यानंतर स्विच हा ऑन होणार आहे आणि करंट जो बॅटरीमधनं येणारा करंट आहे तो पुढे पास होणार आहे आणि तो पास होऊन लॅम्प पर्यंत येणार. दॅट मीन्स ऑब्वियसली हियर लॅम्प ग्लोज इन दिस केस. व्हेन द स्विच इज क्लोज, then the current flows in the circuit and the lamp glows. Now when the switch is open, that is off, ज्या वेळेला हा स्विच असाच आहे, ओपनच आहे, त्या केसमध्ये बॅटरीतनं येणारा करंट हा इथेच खंडित होणार आहे, इथून पुढे तो जाणार नाही. Then the current does not flow in the circuit, and obviously the lamp does not glow here. Subsequently, the lamp does not glow. Now, corresponding to each circuit, each switch in the circuit, we take a statement letter in statement pattern. प्रत्येक स्विच साठी सर्किट मधल्या प्रत्येक स्विच साठी आपण एक स्टेटमेंट लेटर तिथे यूज करणार आणि त्या स्टेटमेंट लेटर साठी एक स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न आपण यूज करणार आहे. नाउ द स्विच हॅव्हिंग द अपोजिट स्टेट, असे स्विच की त्यांची स्टेट ही अपोजिट असेल, म्हणजे स्विच ऑन असेल किंवा ऑफ असेल, आर डिनोटेड बाय एस अँड एस डॅश. ते आपण कशाने डिनोट करणार तर एस आणि एस डॅश. एस आणि एस डॅश हे दोघं इथे अपोजिट स्विचेस आहे अँड दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी स्विचेस. जे अपोजिट स्विचेस आहेत त्यांना काय म्हणतात, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी स्विचेस. वी डोंट नो द ॲक्च्युअल स्टेट ऑफ स्विच इन द सर्किट. सर्किटमध्ये आपल्याला त्याची ॲक्च्युअल स्टेट ही माहिती नसते. And so we consider all possible combinations of states of all the switches in circuit. म्हणून आपण त्या सर्किट मध्ये जेवढे काही स्विच असतील तेवढ्यांचे आपण पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स कन्सिडर करणार आहे. and we from that prepare a table and the table is called as input output table. त्या पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स घेऊन आपण जो काही टेबल फॉर्म करणार आहे त्याला इनपुट आउटपुट टेबल असं म्हणणार. म्हणजे जे आपल्या पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन असतील ते इनपुट असणार आहे आणि त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला जे मिळणारा रिझल्ट आहे तो म्हणजे आपला आउटपुट असणार आहे. सो दॅट टेबल इज कॉल्ड एज द इनपुट आउटपुट टेबल, which is similar to truth table of the corresponding statement pattern, and it is nothing but the truth table for the corresponding, that means that statement pattern. In an input output table we represent one when the state of switch is on. काय म्हणतोय आपण, इनपुट आउटपुट टेबल मध्ये आपण वन यूज करणार केव्हा, ज्या वेळेला तो स्विच हा ऑन असेल त्यावेळेला आपण तिथे वन यूज करणार. and when the state of the switch is off, म्हणजे स्विच हा ज्या वेळेला ऑफ असेल ओपन असेल त्यावेळेला तिथे आपण झिरो यूज करणार. त्यावेळेला झिरो यूज करणार. नाउ वी कन्सिडर टू स्विचेस इन सेरीज. दोन स्विच हे ज्या वेळेला सेरीज मध्ये असतील त्यावेळेला ते जे सर्किट असेल ते कुठल्या टाईपचं असेल आणि कसं असेल ते आपल्याला इथे बघायचं आहे. नाउ here consider this is a circuit. In this circuit S1 and S2, these are two switches and L is the lamp. Here we observe these two switches are in a line, that is these are in series, and these two switches are connected to battery, and again here other side lamp is attached here. And such a type of circuit is called as, or such type of switches called as, these switches are in series. Here S1 and S2, these are the two switches which are in series in the figure. Now for the input output table, first of all for these switches we use statement letters. Now the statement letters are denoted by small letters P, Q, R, etc. We see in the logic now. So here let P is the switch S1, means switch S1 represent the statement letter P, and Q represents the switch S2, and L is the lamp. Now here we consider the input output table here. So here we consider all the possible combinations for both the switches. In the last topic we see that when the switch is on, we represent that by 1, and when the switch is off, that is open, then we denote that by 0. So in the table we use here 1 and 0. That means the first combination for both the switches is 1 1. That means both the switches are closed here. That means both the switches are on. Now since here both the switches are on, that means here the current pass through both the switches and it goes to lamp, and lamp glows here, lamp is glows here, and so we get here the result is 1, and so 1 and 1, it is 1. When both the switches are in series, it is denoted by conjunction. It means there is a conjunction between both the switches. Okay. Now the second combination is S1 is closed, S2 is open. That means switch S1 is on and switch S2 is off. Since here switch S1 is on, the current flow till this, but from this the current cannot be flow. Current cannot flow through this switch S2, and therefore lamp is off, and so here we get the result is 0. In the next combination, switch S1 is open and switch S2 is closed. But here switch S1 is open, that means it is off, and so current cannot flow here and it cannot be reached to S2, and so lamp is off. And so in the third combination we get P and Q is 0, that means 0 and 1 is 0. When both the switches are off, that means both the switches are open, and since both the switches are open, current cannot be flow through the circuit, and therefore here lamp is off again, and so it is 0, 0 and 0, it is 0. And this is the input output table for the circuit when two switches are in series. Means the lamp is glow when two switches are in series. The lamp is glow only when both the switches are on. Otherwise, it is off. Now, see the next condition when two switches are in parallel. Now consider here, this is the circuit. Here both the switches S1 and S2 are connected in parallel, and both the switches attached to battery, and here is a lamp. In the figure we can see how is the switches connected in parallel. Here two switches S1 and S2 are connected in parallel, and electric lamp L is as shown in figure. Now input output table. Again for the input output table we denote here the switches by the statement letters P and Q. Let P is the switch S1, Q is the switch S2, and L is the lamp L. Now see the table here. So here we consider all the possible combinations for both the switches, that means for P and Q. When both the switches are on, ज्या वेळेला दोघं स्विच हे ऑन असतील, दोघं स्विच ऑन आहे म्हणजे करंट इथून सुद्धा पास होतोय आणि करंट स्विच S2 मधून सुद्धा पास होतोय. दोघांमधनं करंट हा पास होतोय आणि तो कुठे लॅम्प पर्यंत पोहोचणार आहे. लॅम्प पर्यंत करंट गेला म्हणजे ऑब्वियसली इथे हा लॅम्प काय होणार आहे, ऑन होणार आहे. अँड सो हियर when both the switches are on, the lamp glows, and so here we get P or P is 1. Now suppose switch S1 is on and switch S2 is off. This is on and this is off. Since this S1 is on, current pass through it and it goes to the lamp L. Here current cannot be passed. But from the switch S1 current goes to the lamp. And so here in this case the lamp is glow. And so here in this case we get P or 0 is 1. Now the third combination is, suppose switch S1 is open and switch S2 is closed. That means switch S1 is off and switch S2 is on. In that case, here current can't pass through this switch S1, but it can pass through S2 and it goes to lamp L. And so in this case also again this lamp L is on. So here in this case we get the truth value is 1. That means 0 or 1 is 1. Now suppose both the switches are open here, that means off. And since both the switches are off, the current cannot flow and it cannot reach to lamp. And so here lamp is always off in this case. And so here we get, when both the switches are open, the lamp cannot glow. And so here we get 0 or 0 is 0. That means here we observe that when both the switches are connected in parallel, if any one of the two switch is closed, the current can flow and the lamp will be glow. And so here we observe that when two switches are connected in parallel, there is a disjunction between them. When two switches are in series, there is conjunction in between them. And so it is the input output table for the switches are connected in parallel. Now this is about today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will solve some examples on this topic. So see you in the next lecture.